Mana Sanat Paydar Manufacturing Company has been operating since 2019 with the aim of improving the level of safety and quality in the firefighting industry. In order to provide firefighting equipment using global and national standards, this company has started producing products with quick and easy accessibility, at competitive prices compared to similar foreign models. All products manufactured by Mana Sanat Paydar Company under the original Rama brand undergo a rigorous and comprehensive inspection and quality control (QC) process before being shipped to the market. This provides confidence to our valued consumers that they will receive products with excellent performance and in accordance with the highest standards. Mana Sanat Paydar Manufacturing is proudly known as the first manufacturer of fire pump boosters in Iran, whose products are designed and manufactured in accordance with international and national standards such as IEC, FM, UL, and NFPA 20. This success is the result of years of research and development, and the continuous efforts of the engineering and technical team of this complex. It should be noted that all stages of design, engineering, and production of this equipment are carried out entirely by the experienced experts and engineers of Mana Sanat Paydar Manufacturing Company, and before being released to the market, each of the products undergoes precise and standard tests at the factory to ensure their correct performance, safety, and efficiency. Mana Sanat Paydar Manufacturing Company hopes that with these measures, it will take an effective step towards developing and strengthening the domestic manufacturing industry and the country's economic prosperity, and, as in previous years, will be accompanied by the trust and satisfaction of its esteemed customers. The human capital of Mana Sanat Paydar Company consists of a team of skilled workers, experts, and engineers specializing in the fields of electricity and mechanics. This experienced and skilled team, utilizing up-to-date technical knowledge and practical experiences, plays a key role in the process of designing, manufacturing and optimizing products. Commitment to quality and innovation are among the prominent features of this human complex, which plays a fundamental role in continuously improving the efficiency and safety of manufactured products.